In front of me is Honor 200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Begin by going into an app called Themes and picking a perfect one for you from Featured, Categories or Top section. After locating a perfect theme, you need to click on it. I will go with this one. Hit download at the bottom and tap on apply. Then wait. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by going into Devices Settings, clicking Home Screen and Style, and tapping on Themes over here. Then select one of those, hit Apply, and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!